Hello, this is Manjunath. Let's start the class. We are in the trigonometric lesson. In that, we are left with the problem on 10th question. So let's discuss the 10th question. Question is in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, this is right angle. So right angle at Q. So Q is the right angle. Then PR plus QR. Given condition is PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Then determine the values of sin P, cos P, tan P. Sin P, cos P and tan P. Tan P, okay. So for this one, first you should know the side. So PQ is 5. PQ is 5. Then PR plus QR is equal to 25. So they given this plus this is equal to 25. That is PR plus QR. So as we know that you have to find out the three sides. Then only we can write the trigonometric ratio. So first you should write this one. PR is equal to. You can write this one as 25 minus QR. It means that we can write PR in terms of QR. So PR is equal to this one comes this side means 25 minus QR. So PR is equal to 25 minus QR. As we know the Pythagoras theorem, so PR square is equal to, so this one square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Hypotenuse is equal to base plus altitude. So PQ square plus QR square. PR square we can write as 25 minus QR. 25 minus QR whole square, because we can write PR in terms of QR. So this one PQ is how much? 5 centimeter. This is 25 plus QR. QR as it is, we don't know the value, so QR square. This one is split in the A minus B whole square, that is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So A square is 25 square. So 625 minus QR whole square is QR square. Then minus 2AB. 2 into 25, 50. 50 QR. Minus 50 QR is equal to 25 plus QR square. Then QR square get cancelled. So remaining is this one, 625. If you send this word, 50 QR is equal to 625 minus 25. It will become 600. 600. Then QR is equal to 600 by 50. It will be 0 cancel, 5 on the 5 12 centimeter. We got the value QR as 12 centimeter. If you put the value in this equation, you will get PR value. So PR is equal to 25 minus QR. QR is 25 minus 12 is equal to 13 centimeter. Now we got all the sides. PR 13 and QR is 12 centimeter. So base is 12 and altitude is 5 and altitude is 13. So we got all these three sides. Then we can calculate the sine, cos and tan. So sine P value is sine P. P is here. So we take this one. As you know, the formulas for sine P is opposite by hypotenuse. So sine P is opposite by hypotenuse. So 12 by 13. So sine P is equal to 12 by 13. Like that. Then cos P they are cos P. So you should know the angle where it is. So P adjacent by hypotenuse 5 by 13. 5 by 13. So tan A is equal to, formula is opposite by adjacent. So opposite is, for this opposite is 12 and adjacent is 5. 12 by 5. 12 by 5. So we got all the trigonometric ratios of the sin P, cos P and tan P. Tan P. So first we have to find all the three sides. Then we can write the trigonometric ratios based on the formulas. We can write tan P as sin P by cos P also, because sin by cos is nothing but tan. So like that 12 by 13 divided by 5 by 13 it will be 12 by 5. We can write directly, or we can take sin P and cos P separately and take this diagram and find the tan P. Then next, you have to say that the following are true or false. So we have to find the statements. Based on that statements, we have to tell that is true or false and justify your answer. So first one, the value of tan is always less than 1. 11th one, in that one, they given first question, the value of tan is always less than 1. In the next topic, it is coming the trigonometric angles, some specific angles is there 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Then if you know that values, then you can answer this question. So tan 0 is, tan value is 0 also, tan value may be 0 also, 1 also, root 3 by 2, no 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, or greater than 1 also. Greater than 1 means 1 by root 2, then 0, 1, 1 by root 2, we get one more value, that is root 3. So when you see that level, it will be understood. So tan value may be 0, 1 or 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 or root 3. For different angles it is different. So they given it is always less than 1. It is not always less than. It may be varying the value. So it is false. The first one is false. Why false means? Because tan value for some angles is 1 also, 0 also, 1 by root 2 also and root 3 also. So for that tan value is always not lesser than 1. In that second one, they given sec A is equal to 12 by 5. Sec A is equal to 12 by 5. 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. So sec A is equal to 12 by 5. So if you take triangle, right in the triangle, so you can take any one. This is B, this is C, and this is A. So they given sec A. So sec A is reverse of cos A. Sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. So it will be 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 because reverse of sec A is cos. So 1 by cos. 1 by cos means this is 1 by cos A is equal to 12 by 5. 12 by 5. So reverse of this cos A means 5 by 12 is equal to cos A. So as we know the cos A formula, adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is 5 and hypotenuse is 12. So we know two sides. Then you have to find out another side. So if you take this one, they given 12 is to 5. So AB is equal to 5x and BC is equal to question mark. Then AC is equal to 12x. According to the statement, according to the problem, I have written the diagram. So 5, 12. So this one, as you know, Pythagoras theorem is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So 12 square 144 is equal to 5 square 5x square. This is also x square and 5x square, then plus BC square plus BC square. So this will be 144 x square. This is 5x whole square is there because 5x whole square. This will be 25 x square. 25 x square is equal to BC square. So BC square is equal to 144 minus 25. This the value of 144 minus 25 is 119 x square. So if you take root of this one, BC is equal to root of 119 by x square. So root of 121 is 11. So it is approximately 10 point something, 10.9. Root of x square is x. So 10.9x. So they given sec is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. So for the triangle, the sum of the in the right angle triangle, the sum of the two sides of a angle should be greater than the third side. So if you take this one, this is 5x, this is 5x, AB is equal to 5x plus BC is equal to 10.9x. So it is greater than the third side. Third side is 12x. So 5x plus 10 is 15.9x is greater than 12x. So for this triangle, we can take for any angle of value of a, sec a is equal to 12 by 5. So it is true. It is true. Because as we got the values, the condition is the sum of the two sides of the right angle triangle is should greater than the third side. So 5x plus 10.9 is greater than 12x. So it is a that value is suitable for the equation. Third one. Cos A is, this is simple only. Cos A is the given. Cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. As I told in the first class that the trigonometry, cos A is nothing but it is not cosecant. It is cosine of A. Cos A is nothing but cosine of, but the given, so it is false. They given as cosecant of A, because cosecant means it will be cosecant, COSEC, but cos means cosine of A, so it is false. Then fourth one, cot A is the product of cot and A. So fourth one, cot A is cot A into A. So we are asking you that cot A is the coordinate of A. That formula is cot A into product of cot into A. No, it is not. It is wrong. The total of this value is cot A. So that is cotangent of A. Cotangent of A. It is not cot A into A. It is wrong. It is false. So it is false. Cotangent of A is nothing but cot A. It is not the product of cot and A. It is one term only, that is cot A. That fifth one. Sin theta is equal to 4 by 3. Sin theta is equal to 4 by 3. So as you know that sin theta, if you take this only example only, sin, so sin is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is this one and hypotenuse is this one. So opposite by hypotenuse, it is opposite is how much, this one 10.9, but hypotenuse 12. So here in this one hypotenuse is greater. So always for the sin, hypotenuse should be greater. For any three sides of an angle, the hypotenuse will be always greater. So in this sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Formula is opposite by hypotenuse. But here see, opposite is greater than the hypotenuse. So it is wrong. So it is false. For angle theta, 4 by 3 will not come in this trigonometric ratio, because hypotenuse should be greater than the opposite side. Okay, next topic. The next topic is based on the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. There are 5 angles. So 0, 30, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So for these some values is there trigonometric ratio. So I will write that one by one. This is angles for these trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, then sec theta, then cot theta. So for these 6 values, we have to find the values. So for this, so for one sin theta, if you take sin theta, sin 0, so sin 0 value is 0, because sin values comes from 0 to 1. So sin 30 value is 1 by 2. This is standard formulas. 0 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, then sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and sin 90 is 1. Like that, cos theta, cos 0 is 1 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. This is 1 by root 2 cos 45. Like that, cos 60 is 1 by 2. Like that, cos 90 is equal to 0. So when we know the sin theta and cos theta, we can find out the tan theta. So we can write directly 0 by 1 now, because tan theta is sin by cos 0. Then 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 root 3 by 2 means 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Like this one 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, it will become 1. So this one root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, it will become root 3. This one 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 is not infinity, so not defined. This is not defined, because 1 by 0 is in nothing but no value, it is infinity. So you can write this that value as not defined. Like that, if you take cosec theta for these values, cosec is the reverse of sin theta. So for 0 is there, means reverse of that one 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 value is not defined. 1 by 0 comes means it is not defined. So like that, see, cosec is reverse of sin. So 1 by 2, reverse of 1 by 2 is 2. Like that, cosec 45, cosec 45, 1 by root 2 is there. So reverse of that is root 2. Like that, reverse of root 3 by 2 is root 2 by root 3. Like that, 0 by 1 is so sin 1 by 1 is 1. So it will be cosec theta will be 1. Like that, sec theta is the reverse of cos. So cos theta is cos 0 is 1. So it will also 1. Like that, cos of 30 is root 3 by 2. That will be 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Like that, sec 45 is 1 by root 2 is there. So reverse of that will be root 2. Root 2. Then sec 60 is 1 by 2 is there. Reverse of that will be 2 only. So 0 by 1 is 0, because cos theta will be 0. So 1 by 0. Reverse of this will be 1 by 0. So it is not defined. Not defined. Like that, cot is the reverse of tan. So 0 of 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 means not defined. Where it comes 1 by 0, it is not defined. Then tan 30 is 1 by root 3. This reverse will be cot theta. So root 3. The reverse of tan 1 is 1. The reverse of root 3 is 1 by root 3. And this one 1 by 0. So 0 by 1. So it will become 0. So 1 by 0 means not defined. 0 by 1 means 0. Like that, these values are the standard formulas for sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 80. Like that, all trigonometric ratios, these values will be helpful for the problem. So you should add these formulas. If you know sin and cos, then you can find out tan. So if you remember these three, you can write the reverse of these three. Like that, if you don't remember this also, you can take sin theta by cos theta, but it is time taking. So better than you can bad this also tan theta, then this reverse will be easy. So if you bad only sin theta and cos theta, for tan theta you have to find out the sin theta by cos theta. So like that, instead of that, if you try like this, it will be easy for you. So these are the values. ಇದು 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೂ ಇದು ಟ್ರಿಗೊನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಈ ತರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. And next one, how these values are came means they told they given the textbook about the explanation. If you go through it, then you can understood. No need to explain that one. Directly you should only you have to add these formulas. Then they given, see here, if you see the values from gradually, it is 0 to 1 and this one is 1 to 0. The reverse of values of the sin theta is 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. So it is sin starting from 0 to 1 and cos will start from 1 to 0. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, right angle at B. So right angle that means you should take this only. ABC. AB is equal to 5. This is 5. And ACB is equal to 30. ACB is equal to 30. So you have to find out the length of the BC and AC. BC and AC. Like that, same one more problem. In triangle PQR, PQR, PQ is equal to 3, PR is equal to 6. Then find the angle QPR. This is 90. QPR and PRQ. Why I wrote this at a time 2 also means it is related to these two related to one concept. So I have written like that. So when you know the values of one side and one angle, then we can find the other than the sides of the triangle and also the angle of the right angle triangle. So if you take this is BC and AC is there. So I have to find out BC and AC. So if you take sin 30, sin 30 is equal to what is the formula? Opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is 5 divided by hypotenuse is AC. We don't know the value of AC, but we know the value of sin 30. What is the sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. So sin 30 instead of we can write 1 by 2. This is 5 by AC. So AC will be 5 into 2. That will be 10 centimeter. So in this problem AC is equal to 10 centimeter. So this is 10. So as you know, there are two types of finding answer for BC. How means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square because it is hypotenuse from the help of Pythagoras theorem. So we can find it. Instead of that, if you want this one value means, so take tan theta. Tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to, tan 30 means opposite by adjacent. So for adjacent, tan 30 here is there. So for this opposite is 5 and adjacent is BC. So it is BC value is equal? No, we can write BC. So we can write tan 30 value as here see in the table. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. So we want value of BC because we have to find out the AC. So BC is equal to 5 root 3 because this 3 will become here side and BC will become this side. So cross multiplication 5 into root 3 is 5 root 3. That value is the BC. So 5 root 3. So from this what we understand means if you know the any one side of the right angle triangle and one angle, then we can find the other sides and also the other angles because this is 30 means this will be 90 because it is right angle. So 90 plus 30 is 120. Total of the triangle will be always 180. Then 90 plus 30 is 120. The remaining will be 60. Both are always acute angle for the right angle triangle. So you will get the BC as 5 root 3 and AC as 10 centimeter. So if you find these two, then we can find also by using Pythagoras theorem. If not, directly we can take the value of the unknown value. So unknown value is here. Adjacent is there. So for this one, sin C. For this sin 30 will be tan 30 will be opposite by adjacent. So adjacent we don't know BC. Then we put the formula, then we will get the answer. Like this also. In this they given one angle, one side. Here they given two sides, and this is always 90 only. So we can find the other two sides. See, if you know the formula correctly, that sin theta, then only you can answer this problem. Why means sin. They told to find out the QPR and PRQ. If you take this one as angle R, for this one example you take angle R. For this one opposite and hypotenuse. This is opposite and this is hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse, which is the formula sin. So sin R is equal to 6 opposite by hypotenuse 3 by 6. It will be 3 1s are 3 2s are 1 by 2. So if you see the values of this one. For what value sin R is equal to 1 by 2? 1 by 2. So in this value, for sin R, 1 by 2 is nothing but 30. So sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So therefore we got this R angle as 30. Then you have to find out QPR. This is 30, this is 90, 120, this is also 60. As I told you, this problem same only, because they given 30 only. From that 3 and 6 opposite by hypotenuse. For that formula is related to sin r. So sin r is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. We should keep the formula like that. The value should be known to first and second. Then we can find the third side. From this we can get the this 30 degree angle as the QPR, and PRQ is equal to 60. PRQ is equal to 30 degree and QPR is equal to 60 degree. Next, in that last example they given, sin a minus b is equal to 1 by 2, sin cos a plus b is equal to 1 by 2, and remaining that one 0 degree is less than a plus b, less than 90 degree, and a is greater than b. Then find a and b. So if you take first one from the example number 8, in that they given sin a minus b is equal to 1 by 2, then cos a plus b is equal to 1 by 2, and the condition they given a is greater than b, this is also included. Then 0 degree is the a plus b, so a plus b is lesser than 90, it is 0 degree is lesser than a plus b lesser than 90. Then find out the a and b. So for this problem, if you see this comparison, this one sin a minus b is equal to 1 by 2. So search the value, the what value of a minus b will be 1 by 2. Here see sin 30 is 1 by 2. As you know, this sin 30 value is 1 by 2. So sin 30 means a minus b will be 30. Why I taken a minus b only? Because they given and that one. And one more thing, a minus b is equal to 30. They given a is greater than b. So a is greater than b means then only you can minus a minus b. If it is value is b greater than b minus a, so like that they given a is greater. So a minus b is equal to 30. If b is greater means b minus a, like that. So a minus b is equal to 30. Then this one a plus b. So for cos value 1 by 2 it is there. For cos value 1 by 2 is 60 is there. So a plus b will be 60. So a minus b will be 30 degree, a plus b will be 60 degree. We got the two equations. If we solve this one, adding 1 and 2, so we get a plus a is equal to 2a. This is plus b minus b cancelled. 30 plus 6, 90. So a value will get the 90 by 2 as the 45 degree. So 90 by 2 is 45 degree. If we get the a value, you can find out the b value. So b value will be, put in this equation, 60 minus 45 is 15. So you get the b value as 15 degree and a value as 45 degree. So only thing we take the value of that trigonometric ratio in that which angle is related. So it is sin a minus b is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 30. So I have taken a minus b is 30. Like that a plus b, cos a plus b is 1 by 2 means it is cos 60. So I have taken 60. After this you will get the values a minus b as 30, a plus b as 60. Two equations are there, two variables are there. So if you solve this one, adding, so you get 2a is equal to plus b minus b will cancel, and 30 plus 60 is 90. So if you divide by 90 by 2 is 45 degree. If you put the value of a in any equation, you will get the b value. So 30 minus 45 minus 30 is 15 degree. So 45, 15 degree. So here also you can check 45 degree minus 15 is 30 degree. So 30 degree is 1 by 2. Like that 45 plus 15 is 60. So 60 value is 1 by 2. So these are the examples. Let's next. based on this formula only we have to simplify this exercise. They given in 11.2 exercise 11.2. In that first main there are 5 problems. 5 problems. In that is all based on these values only. So they given sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60 degree. So we have to find out this value. How means they given sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. So only you have to substitute the values. For substituting values, you should know the values of this in the but it should be divided at this value. So for that sin 60, see sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So only you have to put the values in that terms. So plus sin 30 is 1 by 2. With that cos 60 will be 1 by 2 because here cos 60 is 1 by 2. Therefore this one root 3 into root 3 will become 3, 2 into 2 will become 4, plus 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, 1 by 4. This is 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 4, that is 1. So only I have to see the angles, and I have to substitute the values of that angles in related to trigonometric ratio. Second one, if they give sin cos tan means it is direct only. If if they give sec means we have to reverse that value of sin, cos or tan. Let us second one. ಇದು ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. You see they given directly only sin cos. So they given not given the squares. Here they given squares. Only you have to value the squares. Then 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So 2 as it is. We find the tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 square is 1. So 2 into 1. Because tan square 45 is 1 square. So 1 into 1 is 2. 1. Then cos square. Cos 30 value you should find. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 by 2 whole square. Now that minus sin square 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square. So when you simplify this one, this is 2 into 1. 2 plus root 3 by 2 whole square is root 3 whole square is root 3 into root 3 is 9. 9 root of 9 is 3. Divided by 2 square is 4. That minus root 3 by 2. So root 3 whole square is 3 and root 2 square is 4. So 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Same this fraction and this fraction. So it will be answer will be 2 because 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4 get cancelled because they are same and signs are opposite. So it will be cancelled. So answer is 2. For this 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Here in this no they in this problem also they are not even the sec or cosec or quot. So the sin cosec quot means we have to reverse the values of the sin, cos and tan. Then third one cos 45 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 degree. So we have to find the value of cos 45 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. In this problem, they given the reverse of this first three trigonometric ratios. So cos 45 is directly only cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So we have to put the values 1 by root 2. That one sec 30. Sec 30 is the reverse of cos 30. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 reverse will be 2 by root 3. So sec 30 will be 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30. It is reverse of sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So reverse of sin is 2. So 2. This will be 1 by root 2 divided by 2 root 3. 2 by root 3 plus 2. Then if you take the LCM for this 2, here nothing is there means 1 only. So root 3 will be LCM. So 1 by root 2 as it is, the whole divided by, this is root 3. Root 3 is there. So you have to multiply it by 1. So here 1 is there, multiplied by root 3. So 2 plus, this is root 3 in this, 1 by root 2. Then 2 plus 2 root 3. 2 plus 2 root 3. This will be, root 2 will become downside and this root 3 will go upside, and the remaining is 2 plus 2 root 3. Root 3 will go upside and root 2 will come down, and this is 2 plus 2 root 3. So in this, so you can write root 3 divided by 2. You can take a common because 2 is here also 2 is. So 2 will, if you take common, 2 root 2, remaining is 1 plus root 3. So we got the values root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 1 plus root 3. So this is the simplified form. If you want further stuff means we can do like this: root 3 divided by 2 root 2 root 3 plus 1. So we can rationalize. It is called rationalization. How means we have to take the reverse of this only positive to negative sign. It will become 2 root 2 1 root 3 minus 1. Like that, this also 2 root 2 root 3 minus 1. So 2 root 3 root 2 root 3 plus 1 will become root 3 minus 1, and root 3 plus 1 both are mentioned, it will be cancelled. So rationalization means we have to take the positive and negative value of the remaining value. So 2 root 2. So when you multiply these two, so root 3 into root 2 is root 6, and this 2. Then root 3 minus into minus 1 is root 3. 2 into root 2 is root 3. So it will become root 3 into root 2 is root 6. This is 2 and this is 3. It will become 2 root 18. 2 root 18. Because 3 into 2 is 6, 3 is 18. Root 18, 2 is there. Then minus 1. 2 root 2 into 2 minus 1 is 2 root 2. That 2 root 2 into 3 is 2 root 6. 2 root 6. This whole divided by this 2 into 2 is 4. Root 2 into root is root 4. That is also 2. Then into this is a plus b in form of a minus b. So a plus b, a minus b. It will be a square minus b square. Root 3 minus root 3 whole square minus 1 square. It will be 2 root 18 minus 2 root 6 divided by 4 into 2 into root 3 whole square is root 3 into root 3, root 9. Root 9 value is 3. So 3 minus 1 square is 1. So 3 minus 1. It will be, this one you can take upside, you can take 2 common. So it will be root of 18 minus root 6. This 2 because I taken 2 common. In this 8 into, this is 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. The remaining will be root of 18 minus root of 6 divided by 8. So first we have to do, you have to put the values. This came in the fractions of 1 by root 3 like that. So 1 by root 2, 2 by root 3 plus 2. Then 1 by 2 root 2 as it is. Then this LCM you have to take. This is root 3 is there, this is 1 is there. So LCM will be root 3. So cross 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 into 2, root 3 is 2 root 3 divided by LCM is root 3. This root 3 will go this side because 2 divided sign means the lower side upper side and upper side will be downside. So root 3 this side, root 2 downside, then it is the downside only. So 2 plus 2 root 3. 2 you can take common. So root 3 by 2 root 2 into 1 plus root 3, like that. Root 3. If you further simplification you have to do means ಇದು ನಿಮಗೂ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1 2 root 2 into root 3 minus 1 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ rationalization ಅಂತಾರೆ. So rationalization is nothing but the opposite of that sign. So ಅದು 2 root 2 into root 3 minus 1 ಮತ್ತೆ 2 into root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1. So ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ we will get this variable. So you add this variable. So ಅದನ್ನೇ ಈ rationalization ಮಾಡಿದರೆ so you can get the further value. So root 3 into root 2 is root 6. Root 6 into root 3 is root 18. 2 is remaining 2 minus 2 root 2. This is root 3 into root is root 6. Then 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 root 6. This one 2 into 2 is 4. Then root 2 into root 2 is root 4. Root 4 is 2. So 4 into 2. This one a plus b, a minus b. So root of 3 it will become root of 3 square minus 1 square. Then 3 minus 1. So it will be 2. If you take common 2 in this one, root of 18 minus root 6 divided by 2. 2 get cancelled. The remaining is root 18 by root 18 minus root 6 divided by 8. We can't separate this one root 18 minus into root as root 12 because only you can multiply the numbers with the given root in the multiple product. Then only root 18 into root 6 means 18 is the one noted. But we can't put these square roots inside the numbers plus or minus. Only you can do the multiplication or division. Like that fourth one they given fourth one first main only fourth one this one, that one sin 30 plus tan 45 cosec 60 divided by sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. So we have to find out this value. So this one easy is there because directly they given the sin cos like that because it was in the form of roots. So you have to do the rationalization and the procedure like this only. Then sin 30 is 1 by 2. So directly 1 by 2 plus tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 square will be 1 only. No, tan 45 it will be 1 minus cosec. Cosec is the reverse of sin. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So reverse of that will be 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 divided by sec 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, but sec means the reverse of that, 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Then cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. Like that cot 45. Tan 45 is 1, so cot will be 1 only. Cot 45 also will be 1 only. Because reverse of 1 is 1 only. See this one, 1 by 2 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. If you don't know means you can take the LCM. This is 1 is there. So 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 divided by 2 minus root 3 whole divided by. This is also 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. This is 2 by root 3. For further step you have to do same like this only. So 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3 plus 3 by 2. If you take the LCM for this one, it will become 2 root 3. 2 root 3. Then 2 is there, so root 3. 3 root 3. 3 root 3. 2 is there, root 3 is there, so remaining is 2 minus 4. minus 4 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3 divided by, like this also, this is also 2 root 3 LCM. So root 3 is there, so remaining is 2. So 2 into 2 is 4, plus is there, plus 3 into root 3. 3 into root 3. This will get cancelled. The remaining is 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. So 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 plus 4. So what I told for this one, you have to rationalize this one. So if you rationalize this, 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4, 1 minute. So rationalization means we have to take the negative sign of the denominator. So it will be into 3 root 3 minus 4 and 3 root 3 minus 4. Now rationalization, we have to take the positive sign of the value and negative sign of the value. So 3 into 3, 9. So this is a minus b. So it will be a minus b whole square. So a square is 3 root 3. A square is 3 root 3 whole square. 3 square is 9. Then root 3 whole square is 3. So 9 into 3, like that, plus this 4 into 4. 4 square is 16, like that. Then 2ab. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 is 24. 24 root 3. Why minus means? Because it is minus is there. So it is like a minus b whole square. So a square minus plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square is 3 root 3 whole square. 3 square is 9. Root 3 square is 3. So 9 into 3 is 27. Like that. Minus 4 into minus 4 is 16. Then 2 into 4 is 8. 8 is 24 root 3. Because 2 root 2ab. So 2 into a into b. Like that, 24 root 3 divided by this one. This is a plus b, a minus b. It will be a square minus b square. So 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square. Because this is a plus b, a minus b. It is not same as the numerator. So 3 root 3 plus 4, it will become 3 root 3 minus 4. So a square minus b square means 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square. So it will be 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 16 is 43. 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by, this is 3 square is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. 27 minus, this is 4 square. This is 16. So 43 minus 24 root 3 whole divided by, this is 27 minus 16. So 11. So final answer will be 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. So when it is directly given in terms of 1 by 2, like that, it is easy. But when they use root the root of 1, the value will be in the values of root 3, 1 by root 3, like that. Then you have to simplify like this one. Only you have to remember this rationalization. Before that, we have to put the values and then we have to simplify the by the help of LCM. When there is root and 2, then 2 3s are, it will not become 6. It will become 2 separately, root 3 separately, because we can't multiply root and single variable. We can multiply root and root, but we can't multiply root 3 into root 2. So you can take only 2 into root 3. As it is value you have to take. So only for this one, it is based on this formula. So you add this formulas and I will update this formulas also. I think ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So for this today for this it is okay. ಮುಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗೋಣ. Okay, thank you.